Hello students, we move on to the next application of double and triple integration, that is moment of inertia. What is moment of inertia? Moment of inertia of a particle of suppose mass m about a line, or you can say about an axis, is given as mr square, where r is nothing but a perpendicular distance of this particle from the axis. Right? We all know what is moment of inertia. So suppose now we consider such infinite number of masses, small particles of masses, say m1, m2, mn, situated at some distance, say r1, r2 and rn respectively. Then moment of inertia of this body of some mass capital M will be nothing but summation of all the summation of product of all this masses and their distance. That is, moment of inertia of a body about the axis is summation mr square equal to m1 r square r1 square plus m2 r2 square and so on. Right? Now this was if it is discrete distribution. I suppose it is the mass is distributed continuously. Okay, so what do? We consider a small elementary mass. We consider a small elementary mass, say dm, of the body, which is situated at a distance, say small p from the axis. Okay, p be the distance from the axis of this elementary mass, say dm. Then moment of inertia about the axis is nothing but p square dm for this small elementary, and moment of inertia for this whole body will be nothing but summation of p square dm. But since it is a continuous distribution, summation will be replaced as integral, means moment of inertia hoga integral p square dm. Okay, means moment of inertia we usually denote it as I is equal to integral p square dm. Is a moment of inertia for a continuously distributed mass. Okay, so now if m is the mass of the body and mi is the moment of inertia about an axis, okay, then it is I is suppose it is, and it is supposed to be denoted as mk square, where k is known as radius of gyration of the body about the axis. Then radius of gyration can be given as root I upon m. Now we have seen for elementary mass, right? Now what will be the moment of inertia of an area? जैसे हमने center of gravity for an arc देखा, area देखा. Similarly, what will be the case if you are asked to find moment of inertia of an area? तो area मतलब here this small elementary mass will be considered for the whole dA term, मतलब dA का हो जाएगा यहाँ पे dx into dy हो जाएगा. Means in moment of inertia will be given as double integral p square dx dy. Okay, that is in Cartesian system. If you are asked for polar system, dx dy will be replaced as r dr d theta. मतलब ये होगा in I equal to double integral p square r dr d theta. Suppose you are asked to find a moment of inertia of an arc. Arc मतलब dm will be replaced as ds. मतलब formula क्या होगा moment of inertia integral p square ds. Again ds will be nothing but based in, or it will based on what type of curve you have, whether you have y equal to f of x curve, whether you have x equal to f of y curve, whether you have a parametric curve. Okay, accordingly for the rectification of curve video, you will find a formula how to evaluate ds and accordingly find the value. Suppose now there is if density is some variable, say rho at xy or some r theta, then moment of inertia is given as integral double integral p square into rho dx dy for an area, or a single integral p square into rho ds for an arc. Okay, now what will be the moment of inertia for solids? Moment of inertia for solids is again triple integral, solids है तो ट्रिपल इंटीग्रेशन में जाएगा, so triple integral p square dv or p square rho dv if rho density is given to you. Okay, so these were some basic formulas we have seen to evaluate moment of inertia. Let us see an example. Prove that the moment of inertia of the area included between the curves y square equal to 4ax and x square equal to 4ay about x-axis is 144 upon 35 ma square, where m is the mass of the area included between the curves. Okay, क्या दिया है? You are asked to find moment of inertia of what? Of the area included between the two curves. Now they have asked for the area. Okay, two curves. Now these are two curves are nothing but parabola. One symmetrical to x-axis, other symmetrical to y-axis, right? And you are asked to find moment of inertia about x-axis. मतलब यहाँ पे with respect to x-axis हमें calculate करना है. If you are asked मतलब x-axis को क्या consider करना है? X-axis is the axis here for this, for the term, for the point or for the elementary term we have to find. Okay, so this such will trace out a curve. This will be the region here. So what we have to do, we have to find moment of inertia within this curve about x-axis. About x-axis, so about x-axis मतलब ये formula क्या होगा? Double integral about x-axis means p square. So p square मतलब p is nothing but the distance from x-axis. So distance from x-axis will be nothing but some y distance, right? So ये हो जाएगा y square rho dx dy. Here now in the question it is in the form mentioned in the form of mass. So हमें mass की value particularly find out करनी है. So mass आ गया मतलब obviously density include हो गया. So we consider the variable density here in the example. So ये हो जाएगा y square rho dx dy since we have to calculate for an area. So how will y vary? Y, if you consider a strip, y will vary from at this point, this parabola to the other parabola, that is x square upon 4a to 2 root ax. And how will x vary? X will vary from this point to the this point means 0 to 4a. Okay, so moment of inertia will be calculated as integral 0 to 4a integral x square upon 4a to 2 root x y square rho dx dy. Rho will be treated as constant time a. So take out rho outside the integration. First we will integrate with respect to y since these are y limits, and then we'll integrate with respect to x. So integrating with respect to y square का integration y cube by 3 within the limits x square upon 4a to 2 root x. We'll get this equation. Now evaluating this integral, this function within the limits with respect to x, we obtain moment of inertia as some 2 to the power 8 into 3 rho a raised to 4 upon 35. Okay, now we need to know what is this rho. So we know what is mass. Mass is nothing but integral dx dy, right? Mass मतलब क्या है यहाँ पे? dA है. So यहाँ with respect to area consider करें तो area का फॉर्मूला क्या होता है? डबल इंटीग्रल dx dy. तो यहाँ पे क्या हो जाएगा? डबल इंटीग्रल, but since there is a density with some physical quantity it is included, that is density. So यह हो जाएगा डबल इंटीग्रल rho dx dy. So rho constant ले लो, integrate with respect to y first, then with respect to x. We obtain the value for m as 16 rho a square upon 3. So from this I can get the value of rho as 3m upon 16 a square. Okay. Now we know what is rho. Substitute this rho, value of rho in this moment of inertia term, and this is equation 1. तो फाइनली हमें मोमेंट ऑफ इनर्शिया क्या मिल जाएगा? 144 m_a square upon 35. Okay, this which we needed to prove, that is the moment of inertia of the area included between the curves, or that is the two parabolas. Okay. Next, you are asked to find the moment of inertia of one loop of the Leibniz gate. Leibniz gate is given as r square equal to a square cos 2 theta about the initial line. About the initial line is nothing but theta equal to 0. So about the initial line हमें find out करना है. So suppose we consider again an element mass say dm. तो यहाँ पे dm क्या हो जाएगा? Rho r dr d theta, because this is a polar equation. Okay, rho we will consider as constant density here. So moment of inertia about the initial line क्या हो जाएगा? Integral p square dm, and but since this is it depends on r and theta, we convert it to polar form. So double integral form क्या हो जाएगा? p square rho r dr d theta, right? What will be p here? P will be a r equal to y with respect to इनिशियल लाइन हमें कंसिडर करना है, मतलब p विल बी इक्वल टू y एंड व्हाट इज y, y इज नथिंग बट r sin थीटा, राइट. सो इन दिस फॉर्मूला ये क्या, इसकी p की वैल्यू क्या होगी, r sin थीटा होल स्क्वायर. एंड हाउ विल r वेरी, if you consider a radial vector, r will vary from 0 to this curve, that is a root cos 2 theta. And how will theta vary, theta will vary from 0 to pi by 4. we'll consider for the upper half part, हमें पूरे लूप के लिए फाइंड आउट कर रहे हैं, इसलिए फर्स्ट विल कंसिडर फॉर upper half part, मल्टीप्लाई बाय 2 टाइम्स द वैल्यू विल गिव अस फॉर द होल लूप. सो क्या हो जाएगा, मोमेंट ऑफ इनर्शिया विल बी रिटन एज 2 टाइम्स इंटीग्रल 0 to pi by 4 इंटीग्रल 0 to a root cos 2 theta into p is nothing but r sin theta whole square into rho r dr theta. Take rho as a constant, evaluate first with respect to r and then with respect to theta. r में limits है, limits as a function of theta है, so we'll first integrate with respect to r and then with respect to theta. So with respect to r cube होगा ये, r cube का integration r is to 4/4 within the limit 0 to a root cos 2 theta. Evaluate substituting, here we observe the term as sin square theta into cos square 2 theta, right. So angle same नहीं है, so we need to make the angle equal. So क्या करेंगे, we will substitute this sin square theta, we can replace the sin square theta as 1 minus cos 2 theta upon 2. So equation हो जाएगा some rho a raised to 4/2 into integral 0 to pi by 4 1 minus cos 2 theta upon 2 into cos square 2 theta. अब ये डबल एंगल है, so what we do, we make a substitution 2 theta as t. So substituting 2 theta as t, d theta क्या हो जाएगा, dt by 2. मतलब as theta varies from 0 to pi by 4, t will vary from 0 to pi by 2. Means moment of inertia value क्या हो जाएगा, rho a raised to 4/4 integral 0 to pi by 2 cos square t minus cos cube t dt by 2. Within the limit 0 to pi by 2, we can evaluate whatever power is, we can find this by reduction formula. So by reduction formula, we obtain the value for moment of inertia as rho is raised to 4/96 3 pi by 8, right. But what is this actually rho? So we need to know that. So again, we know what is mass. Mass is nothing but double integral dx dy, and in polar double integral r dr d theta. With a physical quantity rho, वो हो जाएगा double integral r dr d theta. Means mass क्या होगा यहाँ पे, double integral rho r dr d theta. And how does r and theta vary? Theta will vary from 0 to pi by 4, r will vary from 0 to a root cos 2 theta. So ये हो जाएगा 2 times integral 0 to pi by 4 integral 0 to a root cos 2 theta rho r dr d theta. Take out rho as a constant term, integrate first with respect to r within these limits. We obtain the value as cos 2 theta. Integrate cos 2 theta within 0 to pi by 4. We obtain the value of mass as rho a square by 2. मीन्स इससे मुझे rho की वैल्यू क्या मिल गई, 2m upon a square. ओके, एंड फिर फाइनली मोमेंट ऑफ इनर्शिया क्या हो जाएगा, मोमेंट ऑफ इनर्शिया विल बी a raised to 3 pi by 8 upon 96 into this rho is nothing but 2m upon a square. Means finally value will be 3 pi minus 8 m a square upon 48. Okay, so these are few examples of based on moment of inertia. तो मोमेंट ऑफ इनर्शिया एरिया पूछा है, कर्व पूछा है, या फिर वॉल्यूम सॉलिड पूछा है, अकॉर्डिंगली तुम्हारा फॉर्मूला सिर्फ चेंज होगा एंड तुम्हें इवैल्यूएट करना है.